Hello everyone! If you've been keeping a close eye on the generative AI race lately, you'll agree with me on one thing. We are witnessing an unprecedented explosion of technology. But amidst the noise, there is one company that is quietly, yet aggressively, changing the game. That company is Higgsfield. Higgsfield is currently the fastest growing Gen AI company. And what impresses me most isn't just their speed, it's their clarity of mission. They have one goal: to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. They aren't just building tools to play with, they are building tools to work with. And today, they have officially triggered a seismic shift in the AI video market. We are talking about the launch of Kling 3.0. Now, don't mistake this for a standard software patch or a minor update. Kling 3.0 is a state-of-the-art video engine powered by Kling and built specifically to live inside professional production pipelines. So what actually is Kling 3.0, and why am I calling it a turning point? Picture this. Kling 3.0 is a next-generation AI video model that turns scripts, images, references, and audio into fully structured cinematic sequences. The secret sauce here is the native multimodal training framework. Instead of stitching together different disjointed tools, it combines multi-shot direction, native audio, element consistency, and 15-second continuous generation, all inside a single, unified model. Honestly, the industry hasn't seen this level of coherence before. We are looking at a unified video architecture that automatically manages generation, transformation, and visual consistency before the final export. The result? Stories that unfold in one continuous take, characters that stay consistent as the camera moves, text that remains readable, and dialogue that feels grounded and intentional. In short, this is, arguably, the best AI video model right now. Let's dive a little deeper into the technical specs to see just how massive this upgrade is. Kling 3.0 is a complete overhaul of the previous Kling Video 2.6. It is designed to solve the biggest pain points for creators: multi-shot consistency, native audio, and duration. First, let's talk about the unified multimodal workflow. It supports everything: text to video, image to video, and reference to video. You can even add or remove video content and modify scenes directly. Because it's all trained together in one native model, the control is stronger and the responses are far more accurate than anything we've seen before. Next is multi-shot generation. You can now generate multi-shot sequences in a single run. The model is smart enough to understand the flow of a scene, automatically managing shot sizes, camera positions, and transitions. It's like having a virtual director inside your computer. And this is a feature I absolutely love: the upgraded omni-native audio. Forget about silent AI videos or awkward mismatched dubbing. Kling 3.0 adds dialogue directly in model with character-level control. It supports multiple languages, including dialects, and features incredibly natural lip syncing. On the visual side, we have enhanced element consistency. This is a lifesaver for image-to-video workflows. It essentially locks in the main character, key objects, and scene traits. No matter how you zoom, pan, or move the camera, your character remains your character, no morphing into someone else. We also have native-level text rendering. It produces clear, structured text for signs, subtitles, and lettering with minimal distortion. And finally, for this section, let's talk about duration. 15-second video generation. We are no longer limited to short 3-second clips. Kling 3.0 supports flexible durations from 3 to 15 seconds in a single generation. This opens up the ability to tell longer stories with complex action logic without breaking continuity. But wait, Higgsfield didn't stop there. Alongside Kling 3.0, they are introducing Kling 3.0 Omni. If Kling 3.0 is about the structure of the video, Omni is about the soul of the character. This is an upgrade from Kling 01, focused on higher reference fidelity, stronger instruction following, and more expressive performances. With Omni Reference 3.0, you get higher subject similarity and fewer rendering artifacts. But the standout feature here is Character Element 3.0. You can upload or record a 3 to 8 second character video. The system extracts the key visual traits and the original vocal tone. Then, the Native Audio for Characters feature lets this avatar speak with accurate lip syncing and lifelike expression. You can even use multi-image elements to add a short voice clip to characters generated from multiple images, giving them a consistent tone and natural audio-visual expression. So, what does all this technology mean for you in the real world? Here are the actual use cases you can execute right now. First, action and physics-heavy scenes. Fight sequences, car chases, explosions, smoke, debris, they all feel grounded rather than floaty or glitchy. Second, emotion-driven close-ups. Faces that hold believable emotion. Fear, tension, excitement, with consistent skin detail across shots. Third, macro and detail shots. Extreme close-ups of hands, objects, or materials without the image melting or losing structure. Fourth, text-critical content. Ads, storefronts, UI mockups, where text must stay sharp and readable. And finally, multi-character interaction. Scenes with multiple people speaking and reacting together without identity confusion. Combine this with advanced camera movements like tracking shots or rig-style motion, and you have cinematic gold. To sum it all up, Kling 3.0 and Kling 3.0 Omni from Higgsfield are not just steps forward, they are a leap. They solve the hardest problems in the industry, consistency and control in a professional workflow. If you're a creator, a filmmaker, or a marketer, you need to try this. Experience the power of a unified video architecture for yourself. Thank you for tuning into this deep dive. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below on which feature excites you the most. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.